Hello my fellow riders, this is Chris at Ride and Reviews, and today we're going to be looking at the Bullit Bluroc in gold. So as you can see, this is the Bullit Bluroc. It is a retro designed bike, and I think it's sort of a cross between a cafe racer and a brat bike. Now these are 2,100 pounds on the road, and the build quality is really nice. The seat is a little bit hard now, but it's going to soften up. It's double sprung oil suspension. I think this is probably a bit overkill. It seems a bit hard, but as usually with brand new bikes they tend to soften up a little bit, but at the minute it feels a little bit hard. These come in at 11.5 brake horsepower or 8.5 kilowatt hours. I think the gearing's been set up a little bit more for torque rather than speed. You should be able to get 65 out of this when it's running. You're looking at a cruising speed of about 60 miles an hour. Has a really nice clock on it. It's fully digital, and it will tell you how many miles you've been, indicators, neutral light, what gear you're in, how far you've been, and it's got a rev counter around the top as well. Comes with a flasher for your high beam indicator, and it does actually come with hazard lights as well. So the indicators on this are LED, but they're made to look like they're bulbs. Has an LED rear light, and it has that Suzuki derived engine in it. Quite a lot of these style bikes have this sort of engine in it. The Keyways also have a similar engine to this. It's set up slightly different. So I can just about flat foot it myself, and the seat height is somewhere in the region of 750 mil. 680, 700, something like that. That engine tone sounds quite nice as well, I think. Fit and finish is really good, and it's got all the Bullit logos everywhere. So this one comes in British green, golden black, or titanium grey. I actually quite like this colour. I think it suits the bike. Maybe the British green would look good in this. Maybe you want to look a little bit like Steve McQueen and go jumping over those fences. I would probably suggest maybe upgrading the mirrors at some point. I can't see out of them properly, not because of how broad I am, but because I can't tilt them back anymore. You can tilt the clutch lever and the brake lever down a little bit, and that will bring it up, but there's not much adjustment in them. I'm not actually sure I'll test it, but yeah, this bike will not start on the side stand. So this bike won't start on the side stand. It comes with H4 35 front bulb, and it comes with these sort of off-road-esque tyres. What you tend to find with these tyres is, yes, they're quite good when you want to go off-roading. When you're going on roads, you can feel them vibrating through the seat and stuff when you're riding on road. As they wear in, they might get a little bit better, but I think that's just something that you're going to have to deal with. So thank you for watching my video on the Bullit Bluroc 125cc. Now these bikes come out at £2,100 on the road. Insurance should be somewhere in the region of £350 to £500 for a 17-year-old. Obviously it will vary as you get older. Tax is £20 a year. Your first year's tax will come with a bike, and it comes with 2 years parts and labour warranty. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please comment below if you did. Thumbs up, thumbs down, depending if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated to all my latest content. But as always, ride safe.